Hello everyone. Today, I want to share a story that deeply touched my heart. It is the story of a poor mother who had nothing except love, courage, and hope. She faced hunger, loneliness, and endless struggles, but she never gave up. This story reminds us that a mother's love is stronger than poverty, and that determination can change even the hardest life. Let's begin. When Maya was 26 years old, her husband died in a road accident. In one painful moment, her world fell apart. She was left alone with her 6-month-old baby boy, Arav. She cried for many nights, holding her baby tightly in her arms. She had no savings, no family to support her, and no place to call home. The tiny room they lived in had a leaking roof and broken walls. Many people looked at her with pity. Some looked at her with disrespect. Others blamed her for her bad luck. "How will a poor widow raise a child alone?" they whispered. Those words hurt Maya, but every time she looked at her baby's innocent face, she wiped away her tears and whispered, "I promise you, my son, I will never let you suffer because of my weakness." The next morning, Maya began searching for work. She washed dishes in restaurants. She cleaned people's houses. She carried heavy bricks at construction sites. Sometimes she worked for 12 hours without stopping. Her hands became rough, her feet cracked, her back ached every day, but she never complained. Every evening, she returned home with just enough money to buy a little rice and vegetables. Some nights, there wasn't enough food for both of them, so Maya quietly told Arav, "I'm not hungry today." She smiled while watching him eat, but after he fell asleep, she drank only water to stop her own hunger. No one knew how many nights she slept with an empty stomach. As Arav grew older, he noticed that his mother always looked tired. One day he asked, "Mom, why don't you eat with me?" Maya smiled gently. "I already ate at work." It was a lie. She simply wanted her son to have enough food. Years passed. Arav started going to the local government school. He was a bright student who loved reading books. But there was one problem. They could not afford books. After school, Maya visited a small library and asked if they had old books that nobody wanted. The librarian smiled kindly and gave her a stack of used books. Every night, Maya cleaned those dusty books carefully before giving them to Arav. "My son," she said, "knowledge is more valuable than money." Arav studied under a small oil lamp because they had no electricity for many months. Sometimes the lamp went out. Instead of giving up, he continued studying under the street light outside their house. His classmates laughed at his old clothes. His shoes had holes. His school bag was stitched many times. Some children called him the poor boy. He came home crying, "I don't want to go to school anymore." Maya hugged him tightly. "My son, people may laugh at your clothes today. One day they will respect your character." Those words stayed in Arav's heart forever. One rainy season, Maya became seriously ill. She had a high fever but continued working because missing one day's work meant having no food. She fainted while cleaning a house. The owner took her to a nearby clinic. The doctor looked at her weak body and said, "You need rest and proper food." Maya smiled sadly. "I can't afford either." The doctor lowered his head. Arav saw everything. That day he made a promise to himself. "I will become a doctor. I will help my mother and poor people who cannot afford treatment." From that day he studied even harder. He woke up before sunrise. He attended school. He worked part-time after classes by delivering newspapers. Every rupee he earned helped buy food or school supplies. Maya watched him silently. She was proud, but her heart also hurt because her son had to grow up too fast. Years later, Ara finished high school with the highest marks in his district. His teachers encouraged him to apply to medical college. The entrance exam was extremely difficult. Thousands of students competed for only a few seats. Maya prayed every morning. She didn't ask for wealth. She didn't ask for comfort. She only prayed, "Please give my son one chance." The results were announced. Arav had passed. He received a scholarship that covered most of his education. When Maya heard the news, she fell to her knees and cried. For the first time in many years, those tears were tears of happiness. Medical school was not easy. Arav studied day and night. Sometimes he felt exhausted. Whenever he wanted to quit, he remembered his mother carrying bricks under the hot sun. He remembered her empty plate at dinner. He remembered her tired smile. Those memories gave him strength. After many years of hard work, the graduation ceremony finally arrived. Students proudly walked across the stage wearing white coats. When Arav's name was called, "Dr. Arav Sharma," the entire hall applauded. He accepted his certificate, but instead of celebrating alone, he walked directly to his mother. In front of everyone, he knelt down. He held her worn hands, kissed them, and said, "Mom, these are the hands that built my future. This degree belongs to you." The audience stood up with tears in their eyes. Everyone clapped for the woman whose sacrifices could never be measured. A few months later, Arav opened a small clinic. Every Sunday, poor patients received free treatment. Above the entrance hung a simple sign, "Dedicated to my mother, who taught me that love is the greatest strength." People from nearby villages came to meet the young doctor. Many asked him, "How did you become so successful?" He always smiled and gave the same answer, "I had the richest mother in the world." People looked confused, "But she was poor." Arav smiled. "No, she gave me courage, honesty, education, and unconditional love. Those are treasures that money can never buy." Maya's life had changed. She no longer worried about food or rent. She finally slept peacefully. But she remained the same humble woman who believed that kindness was life's greatest wealth. Her journey proved one powerful truth. Life may test us with pain. It may take away comfort. It may make us cry. But if we refuse to give up, if we continue moving forward with hope and determination, even the darkest days can lead to the brightest future. Never underestimate the power of a mother's love. Never underestimate the strength of perseverance. Your circumstances do not decide your future. Your courage does. If this story touched your heart, remember that every struggle has a purpose, every sacrifice has meaning, and every dream is possible when we refuse to give up. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this emotional and motivational story, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring English stories that warm the heart and strengthen the mind. Until next time, take care and keep believing in yourself.